Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll be doing a TikTok trend that's been going around. It involves fruit and coconut water. Let's go make it. Hi guys! So curiosity killed the cat. Time to find out whether this is really good or not. So it's not terrible, but I wouldn't say it's my favorite. I love coconut water. I've always been obsessed with coconut water. It's so good. Definitely the coconut water, it gives it like a taste to it. Makes everything, I don't know, it's just really good. This could act as a meal replacement for any of your meals, to be honest. Look how healthy this bowl looks inside. If you think about it, this is actually very healthy. It has all the berries, which they're full of antioxidants, which is extremely good for your body. The coconut water has a lot of potassium, which is what bananas have. This is definitely healthier than cereal, so I suggest you guys take it as an alternative if you're trying to lose weight. Fruit in the morning is amazing. So it has a lot of benefits with the raspberries, blackberries, strawberries. It's definitely beneficial. So yeah, try it out. Let me know what you think. Comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe. And yeah.